What's up, guys and gals? Our microwave went kaplooey last night, didn't it, Nikki?
Yes, it did.
It popped and then it shut off. We was making baked potatoes. Oh well. So now we're on a quest to find a new microwave. I suggested we go to Sam's Club. Nikki suggested we go to Walmart. I don't know. I guess we'll go to Walmart, but we'll look around and see what we can find. Oh, red light. So I guess we're going to Walmart to find a new microwave. There's where I work. Price cutter. Oh well, don't want to see that place. All right, here we are. Walmart. America's favorite store. Yes. Are you excited to be at Walmart? Uh-huh. Yeah. Lots of fun here. I hate Walmart. I really do. I don't know. A $50 microwave kind of scares me a little bit. There we go. This is what we're looking for. I'm kind of leaning toward this one here.
But what brand is it?
1000 watts.
You want to know more about sensory-friendly hours?
I don't know if it's a good microwave or not. It's
Sensory-friendly.
mainstay. It's not like Hamilton Beach.
Look at this thing. You couldn't even put a cup of coffee in there. Isn't it adorable? Alright guys, should we get a black microwave or a white microwave? Leave it in the comments below. I guess we're going to get a black Hamilton Beach 1000 watt microwave. We're still in here. We got the microwave, but Nikki needs school supplies. I asked her why she needed school supplies. She really didn't answer me, but she's buying notepads. I don't know if she needs them for work or what.
Yes, I need them for work.
I'm just kind of walking around aimlessly. I don't know. We was looking at these here little keychains. It's called a bag charm. This is a duck. This is a bear. But my personal favorite would have to be the hamburger. I love hamburgers.
Say a hamburger was your favorite?
Yes, I did say a hamburger was my favorite. But yeah, I know. Where are you going? Okay. All right. We did it. We bought the microwave. We conquered the Walmart. We bought clothes hangers and a legal pad. Yeah. Anyway, we're going right here, buddy. Now I got to put the microwave in the car. Done deal. Nikki didn't buy anything for her lunch. When we went to the grocery store, we went to Food Line, and then we went to Kroger. Then we was just at Walmart. And I work in a grocery store. She still didn't buy anything for lunch. I don't know why. Oh well. I guess we're going Kroger. Do you guys like Kroger? I like Giant Eagle better. But Kroger bought out Giant Eagle. This Kroger is massive. I mean, it is absolutely humongous. It's ridiculously big. It's bigger than Walmart, I would say. But hard to find things in here. So we got wraps and bananas and fruit and all kinds of stuff. All right, well, I guess we're done in here, right?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, away we go. Okay, so we're back at the house now, and I got to carry this microwave all the way up there. Yes. Life is good. And here it is. On the microwave stand. Don't forget to like and subscribe.